Hi and welcome to the Techy Grandparent. Today, we're going to talk about password security and how to set up a Bitwarden account to keep your passwords organized and secure. As we use more and more online services and websites, it can be difficult to keep track of all of our passwords. That's where a password vault like Bitwarden comes in. A password vault is a secure and encrypted place to store all of your passwords in one place, so you only need to remember one master password. This not only makes it easier to keep track of your passwords, but it also helps protect you from online security threats, such as hackers and identity theft. So, let's get started with setting up your Bitwarden account. The first step is to visit the Bitwarden website, which is bitwarden.com. Click on the Get Started button on the home page to create your account. Next, you'll be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and create a strong, unique master password. This master password is the key to your Bitwarden account, so make sure to choose a password that you won't forget and is secure. Once you've created your account, you'll need to install the Bitwarden app on your device. The app is available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, so choose the version that works best for your device. Step 4. Log into the app. Once you've installed the app, open it and log in using your email address and master password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to add your first password. To do this, click on the Add Item button and choose Login as the item type. Then, enter the website, username, and password for the account you want to save. As you start to add more passwords, you can organize them into different folders for easy access. To do this, click on the New Folder button and give the folder a name. Then, you can move your passwords into the folder by simply dragging and dropping them. For even more security, you can enable two-factor authentication on your Bitwarden account. To do this, click on the Settings button and choose Security. Then, follow the steps to set up two-factor authentication using your phone or another device. And that's it. You're now set up with a secure and organized password vault with Bitwarden. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to the Bitwarden support team. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who could benefit from using a password vault. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Techy Grandparent for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Stay safe and secure online.